You know that feeling when you stand up from the couch and your legs feel stiff, heavy, or even shaky? It's easy to blame age, but the truth is, your legs might simply be running low on the nutrients they need to stay strong, flexible, and full of energy. Hi, I'm Dr. Harris, and today I want to walk you through 5 powerful vitamins that can help bring youth back to your legs, keeping you active, independent, and steady on your feet for years to come. I'll also share easy, senior-friendly ways to get them into your daily life without complicated supplements or expensive treatments. Number 1. Vitamin D, the muscle strengthener. If your legs feel weak or wobbly, there's a good chance you're low on vitamin D. This sunshine vitamin helps your muscles contract properly, so every step feels stable and confident. Why it matters for seniors: low vitamin D can lead to muscle loss, sarcopenia, and poor balance, increasing your risk of falls. How to get it: 15 minutes of morning sunlight, fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, fortified milk or almond milk. Doctor's tip: pair vitamin D with magnesium for better absorption. Your muscles will thank you. Number 2. Vitamin B12, the nerve protector. Ever feel tingling, numbness, or pins and needles in your legs? That could be a B12 deficiency. This vitamin protects your nerve endings and keeps signals moving smoothly from your brain to your muscles. Why it matters for seniors: as we age, our stomach absorbs less B12 from food, making deficiency common, and symptoms can sneak up on you. How to get it: eggs, lean meats like chicken or turkey, B12 fortified cereals. Doctor's tip: if you're a vegetarian, consider a B12 supplement. Just 500 mcg a few times a week can keep your nerves healthy. Number 3. Vitamin C, the collagen builder. Your legs aren't just muscle and bone, they're supported by collagen, the protein that keeps tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels strong. Why it matters for seniors: vitamin C fights inflammation and repairs connective tissue, keeping your joints flexible and your circulation flowing. How to get it: citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, bell peppers, red ones, have more vitamin C than oranges. Strawberries and kiwi. Doctor's tip: have your vitamin C with iron-rich foods to improve iron absorption and prevent leg fatigue. Number 4. Vitamin E, the circulation booster. Cold feet, poor wound healing on your legs. You might need more vitamin E. It's a powerful antioxidant that protects your blood vessels and improves circulation to the extremities. Why it matters for seniors: healthy circulation means your muscles and skin get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay youthful. How to get it: almonds and sunflower seeds, spinach, avocado. Doctor's tip: vitamin E works best when eaten with healthy fats. Think olive oil or a handful of nuts. Number 5. Vitamin K2, the bone protector. If your legs are the pillars of your independence, then vitamin K2 is the cement that keeps them solid. It helps your body deposit calcium into bones, where it belongs, instead of letting it clog your arteries. Why it matters for seniors: strong bones mean fewer fractures, and healthy arteries mean better blood flow to your legs. How to get it: fermented foods like natto, a Japanese soybean dish, hard cheeses, egg yolks. Doctor's tip: pair vitamin K2 with vitamin D for a powerful bone health combination. Pulling it all together: when your legs feel younger, your whole life changes. You walk more, your heart gets stronger, and your confidence grows. And it's not about expensive pills or magic cures, it's about giving your body what it's been missing all along. Your easy daily leg youth plan: breakfast, fortified cereal with almond milk and strawberries, B12 plus D plus C. Lunch, spinach salad with avocado and sunflower seeds, E plus healthy fats. Snack, a boiled egg, B12 plus K2. Afternoon, 15 minutes of sun exposure, D boost. Dinner, salmon with steamed bell peppers, D plus C. Final words: I've seen patients in their 70s and 80s transform their mobility just by adding these vitamins into their daily routine. They're walking further, climbing stairs, and living with less pain, not because they turned back the clock, but because they gave their legs the tools to thrive. So, here's my challenge to you: for the next 30 days, add at least 3 of these vitamins to your daily meals. Then, come back and share in the comments how much younger your legs feel. And if you're ready for even more tips to keep your body moving like it did 20 years ago, don't miss our next video: the morning stretch that melts away stiffness in just 2 minutes, because your best years aren't behind you, they're right under your feet. Until next video.